We are on the last eyeshadow, which is called the True Icon from the Revolution Beauty London. Okay, I've enjoyed doing this series with you guys. I have had the most fun and seeing your comments, seeing you guys really like just cheering me on. So this palette is just full of neutral colors, like so perfect for people who don't like the extraness. Shimmery, also has some creams on the side, and also has just matte colors on the bottom. So this is such a really good eyeshadow palette for those who do not like all the shebang, the extra, and it's such a cute little package. See how this video goes. Please carry on watching. Just remember, it's only eyeshadow, not everything else. So this is the final look. This look was more like a fall type of look. I just wanted to focus on this palette, and I can't believe we did like a little cute 4-part series. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, we have done all of these eyeshadows from the iconic palette. So you can also get this, the whole entire thing. I think they're really good eyeshadows to have because they're so pigmented. You get so much from them, and someone has compared them to the most high-end eyeshadow palettes like the Patrick Tar, the Mario and stuff. So if you can get this for cheaper, make sure you check also below where I will be listing all of them. So this video is going to be paired with 3 other videos that I did doing on this eyeshadow looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Let me know what else you want to see from me. I kind of just focused on the eyeshadow and I didn't put the base because I'm always talking about the base. And below, on the comments below, don't be sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We want to reach 5K before the end of the year. So that's my goal. That would be like another tick on my vision box. So please be sure to subscribe because most of you guys who watch are not subscribed. So that would be lovely. It's free dollars, it's free pounds. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.